Mathematics Standard 7. Practice set 48. Pythagoras theorem. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये कोन C चं माप आहे 90 डिग्री, लेंथ AC चं माप आहे 5 सेंटीमीटर आणि लेंथ BC चं माप आहे 12 सेंटीमीटर. त्यावरून आपल्याला सेग AB चं माप काढायचं आहे. राईट अँगलमध्ये C जो आहे त्याचं माप आहे 90 डिग्री, म्हणजेच 90 डिग्री असल्यामुळे त्याच्या समोरची जी कर्णरेषा आहे म्हणजे हायपोटेन्युअस आहे तो काय आहे, पायथागोरसच्या प्रमेयानुसार आपल्याला हे करावा लागेल. म्हणजेच स्क्वेअर ऑफ लेंथ AB इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर ऑफ लेंथ AC प्लस स्क्वेअर ऑफ लेंथ BC. मग या ठिकाणी ACचा माप स्क्वेअर ऑफ 5 प्लस BCचा माप स्क्वेअर ऑफ 12 यांची बेरीज केल्यानंतर किती येईल 169. मग या ठिकाणी आता आपल्याला अवयव पाडायला लागतील. अवयव पाडताना फॅक्टराइज करताना 169चे अवयव पडले आणि दोघांचा कॉमन घेतला 13 आला. Therefore, length of sec AB is equal to 30 centimeter.
Length of AB square is equal to 13 square. Therefore, length of AB is equal to 30. Therefore, length of segment AB is equal to 13 centimeters. 1600. Therefore, x is equal to under root of.
या ठिकाणी 1600चे फॅक्टराइज अवयव पाडलेले आहेत. मग अवयव पाडताना सर्वात प्रथम आपण त्याचे मूळ अवयव पाडायचे. अवयव पाडल्यानंतर सर्वात शेवटी तुमच्या लक्षात येईल 2 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 5 गुणिले 5 म्हणजे 2 6 वेळेस आणि 5 2 वेळेस. दोघांचे कॉमन काढले किती आले 2 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 2 गुणिले 5 बरोबर त्यांचा गुणाकार किती आला 40. म्हणजेच 40 युनिट लेंथ ऑफ QR इज 40 सेंटीमीटर. पुढील उदाहरणे सोडवताना सुद्धा वर्गमूळाचे मूळ अवयव पाडा आणि उदाहरणे सोडवा या पद्धतीने.
3. According to Pythagoras theorem, 17 square is equal to x square plus 8 square. 289 is equal to x square plus 64. Therefore, x square is equal to 289 minus 64, which is equal to 225. Therefore, x is equal to under root of 225. Therefore, x is equal to 15 units. PQR, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. If length of PQ is equal to 24 centimeters and length of PR is equal to 10 centimeters, find the length of segment QR. Let length of QR be x centimeters. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Therefore, QR square is equal to PR square plus PQ square. Therefore, x square is equal to 10 square plus 24 square, which is equal to 100 plus 576, which is equal to 676. Therefore, x is equal to under root of 676. Therefore, x is equal to 26 centimeters. Therefore, length of QR is 26 centimeters. Angle M is equal to 90 degrees. If length of LM is equal to 12 centimeters and length of LN is equal to 20 centimeters, find the length of segment MN. Let length of MN be y centimeters. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, LN square is equal to LM square plus MN square. 20 square is equal to 12 square plus y square. 400 is equal to 144 plus y square. Therefore, y square is equal to 400 minus 144. Therefore, y square is equal to 256. Therefore, y is equal to under root of 256, which is equal to 16. Therefore, length of MN is 16 centimeters. The top of a ladder of length length 15 meters reaches a window 9 meters above the ground. What is the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder? The angle between the wall and that of the ladder is 90 degrees. From figure, we have angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Length of AB is equal to 9 meters. Length of AC is equal to 15 meters. Length of BC is equal to find out. Therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, 15 square is equal to 9 square plus BC square. Therefore, 225 is equal to 81 plus BC square. Therefore, BC square is equal to 225 minus 81, which is equal to 144. Therefore, BC is equal to under root of 144. Therefore, BC is equal to 12 meters. The distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder is 12 meters.